Welcome back, Flare community. Today we're just having a short and sweet video to bring you up to date with Coinbase's stance on the FLR airdrop. So rewinding back in time to 2020, just before the snapshot, Coinbase said that they're actually going to support the airdrop. Customers in approved jurisdictions who held XRP during the snapshot, which was the 12th of December 2020, will qualify to receive the tokens. And yes, in this tweet, they do mention the Spark tokens. This has since been renamed to Flare tokens, FLR. So just bear that in mind. We recently received this blog post from the Flare team themselves, who disclosed all of the exchanges which are supporting the Flare TDE, the token distribution event, and this is going to occur on the 9th of January 2023, so just over a month away. These exchanges have agreed to distribute FLR to their customers within 2 weeks of the date of the TDE. Now, if we scroll down, we can see that there are many of the top tier exchanges that you could expect, but there is one missing, and that is Coinbase. And I know that a lot of people were worried about this. And if we scroll down here, we can see that Coinbase is indeed awaiting confirmation. And I just want to make a little bit of a clarification. Awaiting confirmation does not mean that the exchange is not supporting. It just means that the Flare team are awaiting confirmation. I really can't stress that enough because a lot of people are getting in a bit of a panic because of this. But don't worry, I have good news. If we jump over here to Twitter, we can see this update from Hugo Filion, who is the co-founder and CEO of Flare Networks. And he says that this is an update. Coinbase have emailed to say that they will come back with us in a day or two to finalize the next step. Hugo's going to keep the community updated. I sure am too. And I'm pretty hopeful for this, to finalize the next steps. It seems like they are on board as expected. So stay tuned. I believe that everyone who is expecting FLR on Coinbase will certainly receive it. So happy days. Thank you all so much for watching. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission control, we have liftoff.